Hello. So with Ling's company, she had to fly up there for a couple days to do some work. They were gonna pay for her flight, and I said, you know what, why not? I'm also working remotely. Let me tag along. We haven't been to the North Island since the end of August 2020, and we haven't been to Auckland since a month before that. So off to Nelson Airport, flying up to Auckland for a week of our beloved Kia ora. Ngā mihi, uratiti. So Sam's gonna take care. He's gonna take care of our beloved 2002 Camry station wagon while we're away. She's gonna go on a nice road trip all over the South Island, and then he's gonna come back and pick us up when we're back in a week from Auckland.
Plane we're gonna be on. Is that an Air New Zealand
plane?
That's tiny. Yeah, that's not an Air New Zealand. Oh, maybe that's the one. No.
Pick up, drop off. Nice. I love how small airports are in New Zealand.
Our flight leaves at 8:45 and it is now 8:03.
She'll be right. 94.4 FM Nelson. Good channel. Alright. Our host told us that as long as you're at the airport 30 minutes before your flight, you should be good. Beauty of New Zealand airports. Just gotta remember to empty your liquids before boarding. You got your mask?
Yes.
Cool. Masks and vaccination passports. That's what traveling's like in 2022.
Yeah.
Thanks, wife, for doing all the heavy lifting while I supervise and vlog.
Going out, I won't have to like pay a fee or anything, right? It will just like know that I've been here this long.
It's been less than 15 minutes, so the gate will open right away.
Take care of our baby.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
Yes, and you too, of course. I'd say.
See you in a bit.
See you in have fun exploring the South Island.
Oh, I will.
Check out my Catlin's video for tips and places.
We gotta go.
Alright, we gotta go. Let's go.
See you later.
That is it. 8:06.
Drive safe, Seth.
Bye, Sam.
Bye.
Bye, Pony. There goes our babies, Dino Sam and Quinster.
Oh, my OCD. I didn't exactly line up the dots.
Oh, how could you? In the domestic airports of New Zealand, there's no security. You just check your bag in and then board the plane. You can literally show up 30 minutes before your flight. Bottle of wine before the flight.
I'm so sad that we're not seeing LAB.
LAB is performing in Auckland the day we fly out.
And they're performing in Christchurch tonight, the day that we're leaving the South Island.
Today.
LAB? I know, I should have put my foot down. I should have.
We could just redirect our flight to Christchurch.
I should have just...
25 minutes before our flight leaves, so Ling's just gonna have a little cafe and be further reminded that LAB is performing in Christchurch tonight.
We could have driven down to Christchurch and then flown out of Christchurch to Auckland tomorrow.
Oh well, love is in the air. What's the song that they sing? That's good. Thank you. Auckland. August 25th, that's when we left Wellington. It was a bittersweet departure because we thought we were going to be flying back to Canada in October. We didn't know that in between that time we would get 20 months worth of free visa extensions. It's been a year and a half? I don't know, something like that.
Making our way north, weather in Auckland at the moment, it's a nice day up there as well. Clear skies, temperature on 19 degrees and light winds. I'm going to fly us north, so I'll get back to you just prior to top of the descent with an update on that weather in the ETA. In the meantime, we do invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. It's a pleasure to have you on board.
annoying bit about Auckland Airport is that it's not even in Auckland. It's like 25 kilometers south of Auckland. Since Ling and I don't have a car, we're gonna have to take the bus there. 3 buses to get there. It should take an hour and a half.
We're looking for where we can buy the 18 hop cart. Okay.
So these Auckland transport cards, apparently you can only pick them up at the international terminal. So we're in the international terminal of Auckland Airport. Needless to say, it's practically empty. And it's crazy because we were sitting probably somewhere over there right at the beginning of the pandemic when it was limited to China and Singapore. And I was looking around at people that were wearing masks thinking, oh, look at those people wearing masks. They're making me a little nervous. But now, Ling, you know, with coronavirus around, it's I think you should take precautions. So you should probably wear one of these. Already I see there's like heaps of people walking around the airport with masks on, so it gets me feeling a little nervous just because I don't know just how serious it is. I mean, they built a whole coronavirus hospital in 2 weeks in China. Like, that's just crazy.
I don't think that this is actually going to stop anything.
Times have changed, haven't they?
How much you want to offer?
$20 on each?
Each.
Yeah. And we'll pay separately, please.
$60, please.
Oh, can we pay separate? Is that okay?
Pardon?
Can we pay separate?
Sure. Make sure you have to tag in, tag out every time.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So there's the 380?
So,
The 380 bus?
380 and
Okay.
Manitou one.
Yeah.
It's within 380 Manitou. When you go out this way,
Yep.
outside,
Yep.
go straight, there's a bus stop.
Yep.
You can take the bus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our 1 hour 36 commute to our Airbnb in Ponsonby begins. Normally there's a train that leaves from Puhinui and it takes you straight into Newmarket, I think, in Auckland, but they're doing some road maintenance, which is why we have to take the bus. So 30 minutes on this bus, and we got one more bus to get to Ponsonby. Almost there. What's annoying is that Ling handcrafted this beautiful silver ring for me, and somewhere in the commute of putting my bags on and taking them off and putting them on the 3 buses, it came off, so I lost the ring and I feel really bad about it for losing
It's not
it.
like you meant to lose it. It was an accident.
It's not the point. I'm annoyed at myself for losing it. That's all that it is. I'm just doing
Well, I'm not that upset about it because I can make you a new one. Though, like if anyone finds it, because I put a message in there and our anniversary date inside.
it's not
Like,
helping.
If they find it, then they're gonna be like,
Is this Beresford? But then you'll have that gap where you could hear your oh. But we're here in Auckland.
$6, 2.5 hours, and a silver ring lighter. We're finally here.
All it cost was that beautiful ring that Ling crafted.
Okay.
I'm really sorry about that.
You don't need to apologize to me. I told you, if part of why you feel bad is that you feel bad because you think I'm feeling bad, you could remove that part.
It's not just a ring. Frodo had it right. Check a look.
Check a look.
Sky Tower. This is gonna be home for a week. Gonna be working from here. Lovely Airbnb here. Andres is our host. We just met him. Nice guy.
Ooh.
He got Netflix, Amazon, Disney Plus.
And then he went like this.
Disney Plus.
What? It's in there. I told you, I knew it. I was like, I bet you it's inside one of your bags.
I don't even know how it got in there. One ring to rule them all. Oh, happy endings, yay! Didn't cost a silver ring. This belongs on that finger.
And how did it
Beautiful.
fall off? Is it loose? Now imagine it flew out the window.
Now it's in the grass
Then I would be
somewhere.
upset. Yeah, I'd be upset at that.
Okay.